Hi, my name is Leslie Dixon. I'm the Director of Federal Programs for Rome City Schools, and I'd like to welcome you to Rome City Schools Georgia Milestones Parent Workshop. What is Georgia Milestones? Georgia Milestones measure how well students have learned the knowledge and skills outlined in the state adopted content standards in language arts, math, science, and social studies. Georgia Milestones is designed to provide students with critical information about their own achievement and their readiness for the next grade. Our testing window for Georgia Milestones in Rome City Schools is April the 26th through May the 5th. That's for 3rd through 8th grade students. Students in grades 3 through 8 take the language arts and math portions of the test, while science is only tested in 5th and 8th grades, and social studies is only tested in 8th grade. Item types include multiple choice and open-ended or writing responses in language arts, multiple choice and multi-part items in math, and multiple choice and multi-part items in science and social studies. A writing component is included at every grade level within the language arts assessment. All testing is completed in person on student devices. Language arts is administered over 3 days in 3 sections. The first section is a maximum of 90 minutes, the second section is a maximum of 80 minutes, and the third section is a maximum of 80 minutes. Multiple choice and constructive response items are on the language arts test. Section 1 includes an essay that students will write. Here's an example of an extended writing response prompt that will be on Section 1 of the language arts test. You can see that there's a writing task as well as a writer's checklist, so students will be expected to write an essay in response to the task. In math, there are 2 sections administered over 2 days. Section 1 on the first day will be a maximum of 65 minutes, and Section 2 on the second day will be also a maximum of 65 minutes. Math includes multiple choice and multi-part questions. Here's an example of a multiple choice question. And here's an example of a multi-part question. You can see Part A asks the student to solve the problem, and Part B asks them to explain each step. With science, only our 5th and 8th graders will take the test. There are 2 sections that will be administered in 1 day, with a maximum of 40 minutes for both sections. Here's an example of a science question. You can see there's a graphic included, and then the question is related to the graphic. In social studies, only our 8th graders will take the test, and there are 2 sections that are administered in 1 day, both of a maximum of 35 minutes. You can see an example item here. Again, there are graphics on the item, and the question relates back to the graphics. Our Georgia Milestones scored. There are 4 levels of achievement. Level 1 is a beginning learner, students who do not yet demonstrate proficiency. Level 2 is a developing learner who demonstrate partial proficiency. Level 3 are proficient learners who demonstrate proficiency. And then Level 4 are distinguished learners who demonstrate advanced proficiency. What can you do to help your student with Georgia Milestones? Encourage your student to follow directions carefully, avoid careless errors, and review their work. Explain the purpose of the test. Give the students an opportunity to show what they have learned in school and help teachers plan. Point out that some items may be more difficult than others. Be certain your student gets plenty of sleep and has a healthy breakfast. Be certain your student is at school on time. Rushing and worrying about being late could affect their performance. Remember to ask your student about the testing at the end of each day. Here are some resources for your home. GeorgiaExperienceOnline.com. There are also Georgia Milestone study guides available for each grade and content area. Students can also log into their Study Island account to practice for the test. If you need more resources about Georgia Milestones, please visit the Georgia Department of Education website at the following link. We appreciate your time and attention. If you have any further questions about Georgia Milestones, please contact your child's teacher, their principal, or one of the 3 ladies listed here. Ginger Rouston, our Family Engagement Coordinator, Leslie Dixon, that's me, Director of Federal Programs, or Kristen Teams, our Director of Assessment. Thank you and have a great day.